1984 here at Unique Classic Cars. This particular one, first year, 1984 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, Z51 package. Of course, the 5.7 liter underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car at 13,847 at the moment. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the AC, the compressor kicks on, but it does not blow real cold. As you can see, bright red paint, red interior. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're watching this video on YouTube. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Corvette wheels for what, 84 to 87. You C4 experts out there, what's the nickname of those Corvette wheels? Seems like each model year when they change, they came up with a new nickname for the wheels. Kind of interesting. Paint has a nice shine to it. Is it perfect? No, it's starting to show its age some. This car was actually an NCRS Top Flight Award winner in 2006. So don't get me wrong, it's in nice shape. A few blemishes here and there. But as you can see, passenger side not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Do have a little aging to the weather stripping, and there is a crack in the glass that has been filled. Of course, the removable top does have the optional leather seats. Remember, cloth was standard in 84. Center console with that automatic shifter. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Does have an aftermarket stereo JVC that was installed. That is in working order. So we get a good look at the rear. Does have the dual exhaust with catalytic converters yet. A couple notes from the technician. A few drivetrain seats, just normal for a car that's driven. Brakes are 70% in the front and the rear. Gas gauge was in off. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Little scuff right there. That's kind of it. There's just more like maybe a light scratch in the clear, a scuff here or there. You can see still has a nice shine to it. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Especially the Z51 package on this thing. This thing will handle like it's on rails. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior. Like I said, red interior. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks. Take a look at the leather seating surfaces. It's free of rips and tears. Do show some just natural aging on the leather. It starts to wrinkle and wear, just like a pair of well-worn shoes. The way the leather breaks in, and natural hide. All right. Of course, the futuristic dash of the 84. This one lights up, backlighting, everything's good on it. Let's fire it up.
Tomorrow, your Independence Day will be sunny and hot and 90.
Like I said, stereo working. Nice throttle response. Top of the dash, good shape. Of course, heat and AC controls in front of the shift. Power windows, power seat over here on the driver's side, power mirrors. All right. Slip around to the back seat here, this run. Power antenna working. Little rumble coming out of that 350. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. There it is, of course, 84 crossfire injection. When tuned and running well, nothing wrong with it. You can see this one's running fine. quick. AC has been converted, 134A from the R12. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get this hood down. It's going to take both hands with the release over there. Let me get the hood down. We'll check out the lights. I'm going to make sure those work. And then if you stick around at the very end of this video, Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road too. All right, hood closed. Let's reach in here, pop those headlights. Working order, as they should. All right, first year, the C4, clean Carfax, actual mile car. Z51 package, number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1984 Chevrolet Camaro in red with red and black interior. This is an automatic on the center console. We've got that lovely 1984 digital dash, which does appear to be working correctly. Simply flip a switch for oil pressure to oil temperature, coolant temperature to volts. Very 1984 look. Accelerates very well. We have a JVC stereo in the dash. That sounds good. The oil pressure showing 62 psi. Coolant temperature 185. Our tachometer with a nice swoosh, I would call it. Speedometer as well. The digital is so 1980s. It works great in this car. The blower motor blows air. I have a see-through top above my head, which is removable. And there is a crack in that top, but it appears to be sealed with some sealant very well. Leather bucket seats in this car. Form-fitting, as Corvette should be. Our fuel gauge showing full, that's also digital. Nice rumble to this car. The brakes feel good, they're nice and smooth. And corners the way a Corvette should, nice and flat. A performance car, after all. And very good acceleration. The automatic transmission kicks down as it should. A fun Corvette to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this car over at UniqueClassicCars.com.